You said what?
Yes, jumping.
Jumping. Much love, much love, much love.
Please be on.
Bench press.
Challenge me? You want to challenge me?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right.
What we doing? What we doing? Show me. What we got? Why they always want to challenge me, Dad? We got any food or anything like that? We got any food?
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay. All right. What is the challenge?
Many gadgets. How many gadgets?
Action. So I don't think just to start with people with disability.
All right. Let's start with the disability.
This is my team. You press. So
All right. Look, Ashton Small's team, come to the front.
Yeah.
So chat, this is Ashton Small's team. So tell us about your team and what you have going and you know what the mission is and the goal is for these people.
So nukuvuga ngo ikintu gihari ni kugaragaza ko nyine abafite ubumuga
So I would translate. He was saying he wanted to show people like disability people that they can also do.
No, he knows.
Okay.
He knows.
Yes.
What up?
gutangira nyine guterura kugira ngo mwereke isi muri rusange muri ya ntego yanjye mfite ko disability is not inability. I'm here for you, ndahari ku bwanyu kugira ngo tangire. Yes. So this is my God.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we go. Two. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes. Huh?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, he's nice, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, give me 60. 6, come on. 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 6, 7, 8.
So you see this man?
W's in the chat. We take no L's. They want me to do the bench challenge, bro, but it's too easy, bro. It's too easy.
Too easy,
man. It's too easy.
Too easy.
Hey, big shout out. What's your name, bro? Huh? Lagua?
John Pumse.
John Pumsen? Ooh, God. God. Nah, I ain't gonna punch him. I ain't gonna punch him. Nah, I ain't gonna kick him. I'm finna kick him, bro.
has a heavy lift.
No, I ain't gonna
Heavyweight, we got this.
Love, brother, love. God.
One thing.
Hey, y'all seen him punching him in the arm? God.
Hard.
Huh?
He swat 120.
He squats
I'm
120?
his coach.
So you bodybuild?
Yeah, of course.
What's your name? W's in the chat for Patrick.
This guy.
God.
Look.
Why is everything so hard though, bruh?
I want to say one thing.
Huh?
Push up. Just. Go.
Why you throwing him around like that?
Go up.
Stand on him?
No. Sell him. No.
This man is crazy. No, I'm not finna stand on him.
Stand. No problem. You want me to stand? You want me to stand?
Yeah.
Yes, stand.
Your brother doesn't like that. So, but anything, any
Small
challenge
ain't
you want,
going for
'cause he can
that.
do
Small
it.
ain't going for that. Respect is love.
Love. Yeah, that's the thing.
Respect. God dang. Huh?
So, Kagarara, do you?
Nice to meet you, bro. Respect, bro. Hey, look, what you're doing is admirable, bro. You look amazing. You keep going. Well, brother, what's the challenge? How many can we do?
How many I do? Let's go. Let's go for 100.
What?
So they want picture
Let's do it.
with disability.
Easy, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Everybody right here on the side, you right here in the middle.
Ngwino hano muse ku mpande mwese aho ngende abandi hano hagati.
He part of your crew? He part of your crew? He part of your crew too?
There's someone who works.
He has disability? Oh, he works. He has disability?
He does not have leg. He does not have a leg.
Really?
Yeah, he just wears the medical.
Oh, wow. Okay. Liar. Hands up. Hey, tell him spin that back. Tell him spin that song back and turn it back up. They need to spin it back, turn it up. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
I'm all right.
Thank you.
All right. Love, bro. Love, brother. Love.
I've already set the weight. You want to start with 100? I don't know, with the all long day, if you willing to.
I'm gonna look. I'll see y'all's challenges. Let's do it. I'll be the spot.
Too easy.
Right. This fella right here wants to compete in everything. He wants to compete in everything. Chat, you better give me at least 8.
8.
I need at least 8.
8.
8 reps.
At least
He said that's too easy. You better give me at least 8, bro. He's trying to race me. Now he's trying to bench press me. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Too easy.
I'll take it. Come on. Chat, if they go over 15, I'll go. If they don't hit over 15, I ain't going. Hey, these are 20s?
yes.
This is 45? 45 pounds?
20 kg.
How many pounds is that?
That's 45. Yes.
Huh?
Around 45 in it.
It's 45?
Yes.
Is it 45 or 55?
No, it's all 45. It was 45.
Okay. Huh? One, 2, 3,
That's a good one.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Give me support, bro.
Easy. 13. You got that. Come on, you got another one. You got another one. 14. Come on, get it up. Get it up. Give it up.
Nice one.
Bro, how many are you gonna push?
Up to 100.
How much? 100?
How many?
100?
How many push-ups you are going to
It means
Just gonna to hit up to 100.
How many reps?
he don't know what you're saying.
Come on.
1,
One.
2, 3,
Come on.
4, 5.
Come on. 5.
Huh? Let's do it. Everybody want to challenge me to everything, bro. They don't want me to just come in here and just vibe. 1, 2, 3, all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fully extend. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Too easy. Too easy. Hey, this look like Nigerian National Hall. It's like flames. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, 4, 5, 6. That boy short stroking.
Let's go!
How many?
Come on, come on. Don't pen again.
How many was that? Y'all want me to go? Yeah, I'll go.
Too easy.
Easy, bro.
Too easy.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
I'm counting that. 2. That's
Nice.
3, come on. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's
Too
8.
easy.
That's 9.
Come on.
2, come on. 3, give me 20. Give me last 5. 5, 6,
Let's go. Too easy. Let's go.
Little pump. Tired. Okay. Love, so good to meet you. Okay.
bro.
Let's get it.
Hey, who has my phone though? Hey, Billy, you got my phone? Somebody got it.
You said W's in the chat. What do you mean?
W's in the chat. What do I mean?
What do you
It means like a win. Victory.
victory.
Win. Success.
W is win.
Yeah.
My man.
It means
I
things
love
are
that.
going good.
Every time I hear that,
Thank you, bro.
every time I hear that, it's inspiring.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
W's in the chat.
Thank you, bro. For love. Let me see.
Let's do.
Easy.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
Let's get it.
3,
Yeah.
4.
Love. Fire, bro. Fire.
This gonna try.
I'll spot. Oh, chat. Oh, how I'm tired. I need some food or something. Huh? Hands even, hands even, hands even, hands even. Hold on. Over. Go up. Right here. Brother, listen, wait. Hands even. On the groove. Chat, he don't care. He said, don't worry, he will do it. He'll do it? All right. Hold on. Wait. Let's do it. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me come up here.
Okay, yeah. I'm ready.
No, over. Right here. That's it. Leave it.
Push.
Hold on. Rest. Put it up. Rest it. Rest it.
No problem.
Rest it. Just come up.
Let's remove 20. Let's remove one. They can fill out.
He got it. I just needed to spot him. Chat, this man to the right is wilding out. About to kill this dude. Come on.
Leave it. We should give him a small bar, maybe.
Easy.
3,
Easy.
4,
Easy.
5,
Easy.
6,
Easy.
7,
Easy.
8.
Easy. Yeah. He could have done the other one. You could have done the other. Huh?